Alright, hey guys, welcome to Delaney. We actually just got in this fresh trade-in. It's a Hyundai Santa Fe 2017 Certified Pre-Owned. Now what that means for you is you get more for your warranty. Now with this car, it has wraparound headlights, you have alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors, that chrome finish look and that privacy window, and you also have a nice spoiler on the back, giving you that new sporty look. And that's only on the outside. Let's go ahead and see what's on the inside of this car. Alright, look at all the space that you have in this nice trunk of the Santa Fe. You have all of these tools here, and you also have a lot of storage right here, and it's actually styrofoam, so it keeps anything hot or cold for you if you're doing groceries or anything like that. Alright, moving to the back here, we have lots of leg room here, and these seats are actually reclinable for your passengers to be nice and comfortable on long rides. And you also have nice all-weather mats to keep your carpets clean. Now let's go ahead and look up at the front. Right here in the front, we still have lots of legroom like the back, lots of comfortable, nice ride. You have an AM/FM stereo, and you also have a nice CD player here, which is actually phasing out in a lot of the new cars. You also have steering wheel audio control, you have USB auxiliary connectivity, but there's a lot more features in this car. You just have to come out and check it out for yourself. Alright, if you're interested in this Hyundai Santa Fe, it's right here at Delaney Honda, right beside that Walmart Center. I'd really like to help you guys out in getting this into this new vehicle. It's ready to drive off the lot today.